Hey, what's going on, everybody? Got the old Mongo Man out here in Mongo's garage tonight, Tuesday night, December the 7th, I think. Yeah, December 7th, Tuesday night. I did nothing out here tonight, but KJ did come out for a little while. And he got the thresholds painted and found or ground this really thin right here. I'm going to have to fix this. That's nothing though. Did the other side and the whole underside. The whole underside of the cab is now primed and ready for black. I still need to work on the cowl. We'll get it cleaned up and ready. I also got to drill the holes for the clutch master cylinder, and I got to drill the holes for that center cutout for the transmission. But other than that, looking pretty good. We'll get back out here tomorrow night, work on it again. I'll work on the inside and get this all ready to paint. Well, probably not all in one night, but you see what I'm saying. We'll at least get working on it again. He did do some video, and I'm going to put that here after my little intro, and you can see what he got done. But other than that, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I did notice on the analytics, if you are subscribed or you thought you were subscribed, you'll definitely want to check that out once again, just to be sure that YouTube didn't kick you off. There's some goofy stuff going on there in the analytics. I didn't know if possibly it kicked some people out. I don't know. But if you are subscribed or if you want to subscribe, it doesn't cost you a dime. Just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and it adds to my numbers. And we'll get the channel up there where we need it to be. All right, guys, that's all. Talk to you soon. Thanks.